So you've heard me use this term quite a few times now, bad faith. What is bad faith? So let's talk about it. It's a very effective technique in getting cases settled for full value or more than the value of the case. Bad faith, if you think of it, the relationship, and bad faith only applies to the at-fault party's insurance company. So we're not talking about your uninsured motorist coverage. We're not talking about underinsured motorist coverage. It doesn't apply to those. That's something called vexatious refusal. It doesn't have the teeth that bad faith has, okay? Some states do have what's called first party bad faith. That's your insurance company. Third party bad faith is what we're talking about here. And this is even if the state you're in has first party bad faith, the technique that we're going to talk about, the one we're going to use, is effective regardless of the state. But I want you to think about the relationship with the at-fault party as a triangle. We are on one point of the triangle, so let's put us at the point of the triangle. The right side of the triangle is at the at-fault party, and then the left side of the triangle is the insurance company. So there's already a big X between us and the insurance company. We're battling all the time. We're already bad blood there. With the insured, the at-fault party, we've already got that X, right? We've already got that X, and that's because we're representing you and we're going after them. But the line between the insurance company and the at-fault party, they're harmonious, they're working with each other, they're on the same side. Bad faith really comes down to is putting an X right on that line, right, and driving a wedge between the insurance company and the insured. And the way we do that is bad faith. Bad faith just means that the insurance company did not do what they were supposed to do, and they put their financial interest above that of the insured. And we do that. We have a variety of different techniques of doing that. But that is what it is, and we demonstrate that to the insured in a variety of different ways. Why is this important? Well, let's say that your case, I've given this example in another case, I'm going to use it in this case as well. Let's say that the at-fault party has $25,000 in insurance. You have severe injuries, definitely showing that your case is worth more than $25,000. And all of a sudden, at-fault party thinks that the insurance company is taking care of him, going to resolve this claim, and all of a sudden he gets a letter from the insurance company saying that you are now going to sue him for millions of dollars. He's going to be pretty unhappy by the fact that the case should have been settled for $25,000. Now we're ignoring the policy limit, and now they're going to have to pay more money. Okay, in that situation, other driver had $25,000. Our client was injured, and we were able to sell that case for $300,000, even though the policy was only worth $25,000. The smart thing would have been for them to just pay it. Case would have been over because there was no other insurance in that case. They screwed up, and our client was able to get full value for her case. So that's the situation that we're talking about, and that is bad faith. All right. So I'm not giving you the legal definition of bad faith. I'm giving you practically how it works. I'm telling you the method. Right. This is why it works. This is how it works. You don't need to know the legal definitions of it. None of that matters. Insurance company screws up. We're able to establish the fact that they've screwed up, and now the insured limits do not apply. And it's important to note that we're not privy to that information unless we essentially get a letter from an attorney saying, hey, yeah, we screwed up, or the insurance company screwed up. And that could be the defendant's private attorney. It could be the insurance company's counsel that they've hired because they've acknowledged that they've screwed up. But you're not going to hear us call you and say, hey, we think that they screwed up. We'd have to have some sort of evidence of that. Where that call would happen is we got a call from the insured's private counsel. They're suing the insurance company. They've committed bad faith. And so some of this is where we go through our process, we try to establish everything, and if the insurance company has done everything right on their end, there is no bad faith. Or if the insured, the defendant, the at-fault party, if they have advised the insurance company not to pay it, there's no bad faith. So there's a lot of things that could nullify bad faith, but we do everything on our end to make sure we establish it if we can, and if we do, you'll be the beneficiary of that. So, all right. If you have any questions about that, let us know. Give us a call, 888-550-4026. Shoot us a text or an email, and we'll be happy to respond to you. But otherwise, have a great day. See you, buddy.